Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to Deribit or Deribit. It's exactly how you want to pronounce it. Right now, the first step that we are going to do is we go right here to settings and select manage plugins. Then we scroll down, and there we have Deribit. Then what we're going to do is you need to download it. So we click right here on install. And then once we are here with our mouse on it, he is saying this adapter is only supported by Bookmap versions. And then you see right here the version. So if you want to download it, you need that version of Bookmap because otherwise you can do that. So once you downloaded that version of Bookmap, you can search that on Google. Then we go right here and click on install. Once you install it right here, you go to connections, configure, and then click on add connection. Then right here, once you installed it a few seconds ago, you can click here on platform and then you will find it right here. For now, I will do this as an example with BitGet, I think, and then we can do right here, okay. Then right now, if I go to connections, you see right here BitGet. And if I turning off this, okay, that's fine. But if I click right now here on BitGet, you see right here in the bottom, if I click on okay, that BitGet is now connected. So this works exactly the same for Deribit, but you need to install the different version. So this is how you can connect Deribit right here to Bookmap. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.